producer, songwriter, keyboardist. What was the other one I was saying I was gonna ask? Musical director. I'm a total chameleon. I can perform, I can write, I can think of sound, think of images, think of how to connect with an audience. Knowing what connects with me and having a wealth of knowledge in the business, I believe is key. I've worked with so many artists that brain help me out. I think I went after that. It's too many of them. You know Shakira? Love her. My girl. Janet Jackson. Do you know Pharrell Williams? Simply Red. Jimmy Cliff. Alejandro Sanz, I was a musical director for a couple of his tours. Cabas from Colombia. Dairo Pontual from Brazil. Jamiroquai. Gloria Estefan. And I can continue and you want more. Luther Vandross. Massive Attack. Maná, Fonseca, Alejandra Guzman. It's almost impossible for me to truly remember how many, but I've worked with the gamut of everyone. I find it lovely to be able to tap into the different styles of music and worlds that I've been involved with, from the pop world to the Afro world to the dance electro world to the Cuban music world, and bring that to the forefront in a commercial and happening sound. Writing music is like having a conversation. Creating music, creating records is having a conversation between you, the artist, and the audience that you want to relay that music to. I love understanding, I love relating, I love feeling that you get when music is happening and it takes you away from all your troubles, away from all your sorrows, away from the most difficult thing that could happen. And the minute music happens, music is God. God is music. And I love that. It's a blast. Thank God for that, actually. It's a lot of other crap in the world you don't want to deal with. While I was living in New York, I worked with a ton of DJ producers, and the suggestions kept coming to me to start a label, doing my own music and writing music with different artists to release with my sound. Basically, they said, you have your own sound, you should release it. So I did. I started the label about 7 years ago, and it's on its 24th release right now. Doing music specifically on the house, electro, lounge, EDM sound, and the label has been taking off. We got in distribution labels throughout Europe, Japan, Latin America, and it's something that I love doing, and I love using that sound as well, bringing it to the main pop market, pop, Latin, dance music. It's all a mesh of quality music, and the label represents that as well. I just truly love to be challenged by music. I don't know if what I'll do will be better or worse, but it will be me and unique, and hopefully someone is loving and interested in wanting to take that journey with me. Music is life, it's living, it's breathing, it's thinking, because music is all. That's what music is for me.